Hello, today you're looking at a slimline 6,500 gallon per minute horizontal disc filter brought to you by Lanco. This unit comes with a rebuilt magnetic drive 5 horsepower motor with brand new bearings wired in at 230 or 460. We have digital controls with a programmable timer included, brand new plumbing with a 2-inch suction port and 2-inch discharge port. We have a brand new liner in the filter with 15 22-inch plates. This filter includes a pressure gauge and a Polypro slurry tank. This unit has been tested over here at Lanco. You can see it running here. The overall dimensions of this filter are 48 inches wide, 48 inches long with a height of 75 inches. If you're interested in this filter, you can reach us at 616-887-8300 or visit us online at lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.